Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see this iMessage was not delivered. Try again, send this text message. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to check is to check your internet connection. So just go back, go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find mobile data, and in the mobile data you need to check if you successfully turn on your mobile data and everything's working. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open the Wi-Fi and just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, and also your Wi-Fi has internet connection. If you check it and it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. It's just find here messages. So just find here messages and just disconnect iMessage and turn off here and turn on again, and just wait until it will reactivate your iMessage. So after, you can also try to restore your phone, so keep holding power button and just slide to power off and just turn on again. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.